this Rubicon TJ in the shop today. Air conditioner is not working. I tested it over the weekend and it seems like the blower motor is not working on it, and I pulled the resistor card and it's melted. So we're gonna go ahead and inspect the harness, replace the blower motor, replace the blower motor resistor card that's inside the HVAC, and get her back in business and rolling in cool air. So let's get to work. We're down underneath the dash. Here's your blower motor right here. There's a tab on the back side I can't show you right now. You pull it down and you can rotate the whole blower motor like so. First you gotta get this plug off. Okay, so that's your power to the blower motor. Pull that tab down and then there's the blower motor. Wow, this one's seen better days. It's locked up. Probably been full of water. Okay. Next we'll move on to the resistor for the blower motor. All right, it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the blower motor resistor right here. Here's the harness. Actually looks to be in good shape. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this this connector out. Then we're gonna pull the resistor out. So in reference, you go through the glove box, you gotta take the glove box off. And your resistor is right there in this plug. If I can get to it. Yeah. Okay. There's a bolt here and a bolt right there. It's just kind of cramped because your air duct for the dash runs right here. And the harness for your entry lights, and then the harness for the, sorry about the light in y'all's eyes, the harness for the blower motor itself. I fully expected to see these completely melted, but they're not. So we're in good shape on the harness. So what I'm working on now is getting that resistor out. All right, I managed to get the bolts out. That's kind of tight to hold the camera and get the ratchet up in there. But here's your blower motor resistor. So as you can see, this thing is definitely gotten hot. You can see that whole circuit right there is just completely burnt up. Burnt all the way through the card. So we're gonna get this replaced, put the new blower motor in it, check the fuses and some other things before we try and power it up. As you can see, this one, see, if it even wants to turn the whole body, is so locked up. Won't even spin. Here's the new one. She spins nice and free. So one of two things happened. I believe this motor got water stuck in. I don't see any crusties in there. Nah, I don't see any crusties. But you see the end of the motor is all rusted. That's just the shaft that runs through it. But I believe this got full of water. The condensate line that goes to the outside of the vehicle was plugged, so I dumped that, and I think all the water from the air conditioner was going down inside this blower motor. All right, so I got the old blower motor out. We're gonna test and see if it's actually got any connectivity. You can see we got a really high resistance in that one. Let's test the new motor. No resistance. So this motor was done really bad. And you can tell it doesn't even want to spin. Can you see that? Let me zoom you out. You can tell it doesn't even want to spin. Here's the new motor. Spins freely. No resistance in that one, if any. So we're gonna go ahead and get the new motor installed and a new resistor. And we'll come back and we'll do some tests. Okay, it's really hard to see under there, but here's the harness. This right here goes to the blower motor, or the blower resistor. I was fully expected to see this thing completely melted. It is not melted. So all these wires are intact. These look to be intact. All right, so as you can see, it's really tight in here. I'm having a really hard time trying to hold the camera so you guys can see it. We've got the new blower motor, new resistor pack. We're gonna go ahead and install this stuff. I wanted to show you on the blower motor. All it is a tab. You take and you pull that tab down and you can unlock it, pull the old one out. Same thing, reverse to put this one back in. So we're gonna go ahead and get those installed, and hopefully she's got AC again. Can y'all hear that? I've got a blower motor now. Here's the second, third, and high. Oh, we got air coming out of the vent, Anna. You're gonna be happy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, see if we have any air conditioning. Nice and cold. Anna, I think you're back in business. Sorry it took so long to get the harness to fix it. Only had to replace 2 pins in that harness. So got lucky. Not a fire hazard like some of them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie some of these wires up because some of the connectors on where they secure the pigtails broke. Thing's kind of old, so everything's brittle. So I'm gonna zip tie the wires up out of the way, and this job done. Okay, so I don't know how many of you guys are interested, but when you take the doors off, I mean, you can read this in the manual, but a lot of people fail to read the manual for some reason. But number 4 will actually cut the interior dome lights off. So now we got dome lights again when I install the doors. So I've got these wires secured up, zip tied up out of the way. These little tabs on the back of your relays snapped off when I tried to pull them down. So you got them secured. It's not gonna come off. Anyway, you got air conditioning again, and you're back in business. So I don't think those doors have been off in a long time. Little WD-40 persistence, come right off. Okay, you gotta remember, those are just little 3/8 bolts. You don't want to tighten them up too much. Function. All right, Anna, you got air conditioning, door back on. The only thing that really needs to happen is your clutch is bad and the transmission input has a little slot and the chain is loose in the transfer case. But we can figure that out on another day. Just ready to go for you. So hey guys, I always try to clean up after myself. I don't like leaving a mess. So as you can see, I got foam and all kinds of stuff in there laying on the floor after reassembly. Always try to keep my friends happy. Can you hear that cool AC? Oh, it's so nice. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell. That way you get notifications of new videos that I produce. Another happy Jeeper going down the road with some AC. That way it's not hot and sweating. So anyway, we're gonna tear into this scrambler soon. Make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching.